On January 31st, 2025, Mountain Home, Arkansas police respond to a report of a man passed out behind the wheel at a McDonald's drive-thru. When officers arrive, they find the vehicle parked, engine running, and the driver slumped over in the seat. What started as concern soon revealed something far more serious. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody.
Three times.
And he slumped over now.
Okay, we're fixing to check him out, Nick. Thank you, sir. He looks like he's sleeping. I haven't made contact yet. Once I just got here with you.
So we'll check on him.
Okay, let's run it.
Hey, buddy. How's it going?
Pretty good.
What's going on?
Just getting food.
Getting food? What? Are you sleeping?
I was wondering about my wife.
You were what?
My wife.
Okay, what about her?
She's at work. I was getting food for my kids and my mother-in-law.
Okay.
What's up, officer?
Okay. Have you taken anything?
Xanax.
You took Xanax? And you drove?
Yeah, I took it this morning.
How many did you take?
One.
You took one? Okay. Well, it's kind of unusual. You're in the McDonald's parking lot and you're passed out.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to have you step out, okay? We're going to talk right at the back of the car, okay?
Okay.
Step back there to that officer right there, okay?
Anything on you gonna get you in trouble? Weapons, mass destruction, anything like
Nothing I
that?
know.
Okay. What's that? Just go ahead and take out. Money. What's on that? More change in there?
Yes, sir.
What's on that foil wrapper that's in there, sitting in there? It looks like it's burnt.
Suboxone.
The boxing. Yeah, but are you supposed to have that?
No, sir.
Okay. Why don't you go ahead and put your hands behind your back for him?
Will you cuff him?
Can I call my mom?
Is this what you snorted with?
What?
You snort something with this too?
No, sir.
It sure looks,
That's what the Suboxone.
you heat it up and put it in strips or something?
Yeah, it's the pill.
Pill? Okay. Is your car unlocked?
What?
Is your car unlocked? Step back here if you would, sir. Is your ID in your wallet in the car?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Watch your head, bud.
All right, man, I'm going to Mirandize you, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to speak to an attorney and to have an attorney present during any questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided to you at government expense. Knowing and understanding your rights as I've explained them to you, are you willing to answer any questions without an attorney present?
Just wait for a public defender or attorney.
Okay.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Holy cow.
Let's see if that's him.
He's got
I want to know what he's snorting.
He's got a pretty good sized drug kit there.
Yeah. He's got it on the center console.
Drugs
He's
are
smoking
everywhere.
something out of that pen.
Yeah. Now he does have a.
I can't hear you.
This is for him.
Cannabis?
Yeah.
Maybe he's got a cannabis card. I don't know. There's
Well,
some.
he must have because this is to him here.
I don't have my gloves on, but yeah. Is that cannabis?
Yep.
Is that his name, Dustin?
I'm going to guess so, but it does not sound like marijuana. Can you open the freaking thing?
Squeeze below cap. There you go. That is not weed, is it?
No. What is that?
Looks like black tar heroin.
That could be those
He said it's Suboxone. He's been burning. So
Oh,
that could be that right
okay.
there.
Is he snorting Suboxone?
Burning it, I guess, and inhaling the fumes.
You want me to shut the vehicle off?
Yeah.
I don't know where his keys are. Key fob may be in his pants or in his pocket.
Yeah. I think he had it in his hand when he pulled it out.
Oh, he did? Okay.
No.
Bunch of pills.
Bunch of pills.
I'm just going to throw all this in
Say he's
here.
got a drug problem.
Some of this we'll put in for safekeeping. The other stuff like this, whatever, we'll find out what it is, what the pills are.
So are you thinking you wanted to go DWI drugs?
Yeah, because he was passed out.
That guy, Nick, I know him personally that I spoke to when I got here. He said, hey, that guy passed out 3 times in the drive-thru. And I said, okay.
Is it his car, I wonder?
Florida tags. He's got an Arkansas DL, but Florida tags. I don't know. Maybe it's a rental. We can ask. Sir, is that your car?
Oh, sir, it's a rental.
It's a rental. Okay. It's a rental.
It's a rental.
Said, yeah.
Who does he want to tow it?
Who do you want to come get the car to tow it?
Wayne's.
Lanes?
Wait. Okay. All right. He's got the keys?
I don't know.
Hey, brother, do you have the keys to that vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Or are they in your pocket?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Hey, I got a question.
Sure.
Is it possible to inform my mother-in-law?
Once they get you down to the police department, it isn't right now, but later on you'll be able to call someone.
Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
Well, I don't know her number. Can you grab my phone?
I'll talk to the other officer about that. Sure.
Got all sorts of junk in here.
Yeah, I mean, have you ever heard of the guy?
No. Dustin Magnuson, no.
He's been very cooperative. He asked you to grab his phone so that he can contact people at the jail. So, yeah.
No problem. That's got some credit cards in it. I don't want
Okay.
to leave it in here. So
Right. I'll put these on your front, his phone and cards on your front seat.
Yeah.
I'm here to help.
let me have those drugs stuff, and I'll take it to the PD, and I'll start see what those pills and stuff are.
You understand what you're being charged with at this time? It's suspicion of DWI drugs, okay? 30, they're putting. 15, 1 mile, 19 to the PD.
I'm using foil to burn Suboxone pills.
That's what they do.
That's what he does.
I thought you can't burn a Suboxone.
I don't know. I guess it melted down.
I thought they make it into it keeps it from being able to do that. It goes down or something.
I don't know. Dustin.
Magnuson.
Yeah. See, I think this is what those are right here.
He may be burning down the extract.
61 dispatch.
What's up?
That good stuff too?
Yeah. Keep staying over here, man. I'm gonna pat you down one more time, okay?
Shouldn't be anything sharp or anything like that, is there?
Well, that's good. I hate getting poked.
Are those the poke resistant gloves?
No, I wish. Nothing in your boots. Oops. Alright, you're good.
Dustin Magnuson was arrested and charged with DWI drugs, misdemeanor possession of a controlled substance, misdemeanor possession of drug paraphernalia, 2 felony counts of possession of a controlled substance, possession of a controlled substance with purpose to deliver, and refusal of a BAC. His bond was set at $10,000. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.